MafiaMortal Kennels.
This is the update for the litter of Shiva and Shaq. We don't have no more puppies available from this litter, but we have 3 females and 1 male available from another litter. For anyone who would like more information on the available puppies, you can call or text the number at the end of the video. In some of my previous videos, I let you guys know that I will be talking in the videos on breedings and puppies available. For videos like this one, my wife will be taking the reins. That being said, let me introduce you guys to my wife, Leanne.
Hello everyone, my name is Nian and I'm going to talk to you all a bit about this litter we sold out. Let me start by introducing you to our male keeper, King Tyson, that you can see here on screen. In this litter, we had 3 males and 1 female, and although all the puppies are very close in appearance, we decided to keep this boy because not only is he a great looking boy, but he's also very playful and affectionate, and my husband just couldn't resist this little guy. This male you see on screen is our last sale from this litter. He will be going to Billy, aka Dollar Bill from Montgomery, Alabama. He will be picked up on June 10th, so look forward to seeing a customer pickup video. This light colored female in the video is our girl Maya. We were very impressed with this girl. At her roughly 10 weeks of age, she has such big and thick bones, and by the looks of it, we are expecting her to have a big head and a short body with well-defined muscles. We absolutely loved this girl and decided to keep her within the first 2 weeks after they were born. You guys can expect to see how this girl grows on our channel. The first male we sold from this litter went to his forever home at 8 weeks to Arizona. We are hoping to get some more footage of this boy for our customer update video. That is all for this litter update video. We will leave you guys some extra footage of these puppies playing around. Have a great weekend, everyone.
For those who would like to reserve or purchase a puppy, you can contact us at 619-514-6953. Here in this channel, we will always have the best quality American Bully puppies. Trust that no one can beat our quality and prices. Hey, and make sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Help us grow with a like, share, comment, and follow. We appreciate your support. Don't forget that we will be giving away a $200 gift card when we reach 2,000 subscribers on YouTube.